Watch this video to learn how to make this giant balloon ornament.
What you'll need is a glue gun, glue sticks, a hand pump, 18-inch foils and stars. I use red, but you can use green, yellow, any color you want. And those are U-shaped for the top of the ornament. First thing I did was put on the elf costume. Second thing I did was blow up the foil till it was full. I blew them up, and I blew more up, and I also blew up the tops. Looks like a zero, but it's going to be the top of our ornament. And play around with it, give it a little juggle. Not very good. With our glue gun, again, don't forget, it's a low temperature glue gun. I glue the corners together. Slow and steady wins this race. You want to make sure it's round. And you keep building and gluing and building. It's starting to look like an ornament. Going round and round. And again, like always, you gotta have some fun. Elves love to have fun. Then I take my toppers and glue two of them together and put them on top. The third one is for the hook. And like that, you have a giant balloon ornament.
Don't forget to subscribe.